I have a second channel, Cube Comp MTDX.
Press 1 for old messages. Press to check first. Message received. Thursday, May 2nd, 9:12 a.m. Hello, Nicholas. This is CVS Pharmacy. You recently picked up one prescription that we can have ready for you next time you need it. We'll call back later today. Thank you for choosing CVS Pharmacy. Goodbye. Press 3 for advanced option. Press message deleted. No more messages. Press 3 for advanced option. Message received. 6:31 p.m. Hello, Nicholas. This is CVS Pharmacy. You recently picked up one prescription that we can have ready for you next time you need it. For your next fill, we can schedule your prescription to fill when it's due for refill. If you'd like us to schedule your prescription for you, please call your pharmacist at 704. Message deleted. No more messages.
Freaking annoying CVS phone calls, I tell you. That was the third one today. The voicemail was the third call today. They called, or at least their automated system called at like not even 10 o'clock this morning, Sunday morning. I was in bed because I'm not feeling too well. And that freaking thing calls. I hang up on it the first time because it asked me to press 1 to continue with setting up automatic refills on prescriptions. It didn't give you another option. So I hung up. 15 minutes later, it calls back again. Same thing. So I called their 1-800 number to opt out of these phone calls, and it says, oh, it may take 24 hours to complete. Well, of course it hasn't been 24 hours yet, and I've already gotten another phone call. I decided not to answer it this time, let it go to voicemail. Freaking CVS. Jeez. Well, guys, that's it for this one. But it doesn't have to be. There's plenty more videos on the channel to check out. Also, if you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you absolutely hated it, there is the alternative button as well. But yeah, please subscribe to the channel. I definitely appreciate it. And remember to click the bell so that we get notified of all updates. Also, if you're interested in things aside from computers and technology, check out my second channel. It's Cube Comp MTDX. Over there you'll find videos about weather, elevators, bicycling, and pretty much whatever else I figure out to upload. So yeah, anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for your support.